In the changing world of warehouse fulfillment, customer demands have evolved. Every season is peak season, and you need a dynamic solution. Meet Twin Oaks WMS, a game changer for your warehouse management. Our cloud-based or on-premise solution provides seamless automation and simplifies processes for the whole team. Need faster order processing? We've got you. Looking for picking solutions? That's one of our specialties. All while monitoring every step with the Twin Oaks WMS dashboard, a powerful tool that gives you real-time overview over all your warehouse operations. Track inventory levels, monitor order status, and even analyze performance metrics. Envision your future warehouse today. The possibilities are right here. Twin Oaks WMS, warehousing of the future, now.